Good morning, children. Today we are going to see some basic terms in geography. The terms which actually come from lower classes, that is from 3rd class to 10th class. And though those words look similar somewhat, but they have different meanings. So the first important one, you can see I have written a word here, bay. Whenever I refer this word, generally you get idea, that is Bay of Bengal, which is actually to the east of our country. See, bay, what is a bay means? The coastal body of water directly connected to an ocean. A coastal body of water directly connected to an ocean. So bay actually situated just beside the sea. It is connected to the ocean. It is connected to the sea. See how it is. See, for example, this is the ocean. This is all ocean. So this may be like this. It is a bay. What it is? It is a bay. What it is? It may be an ocean or sea. So what is a bay means? A coastal body of water directly connected to the ocean or a sea, or even it may be connected to a lake. In the world map, see now what are the examples for the bays. See, take India. To the right side of India you can see Bay of Bengal. To the right side of India you can see Bay of Bengal. Next, see, this is Bay of Bengal. Next, coming to the North America, you can see Hudson Bay. Just observe the physical map of the world physical map. You can see Hudson Bay, North America. Okay. So just to remember two examples, Hudson Bay and Bay of Bengal are the some of the examples for the bay. Now coming to the another important term, that is Gulf. What is the next term? Gulf. A gulf means a large inlet of water. Large inlet from an ocean into a landmass. So what is gulf means? A large inlet from an ocean into a landmass. Large inlet means what here? A narrow passage of water. Generally the large bays become gulfs. So already we have seen bays are connected to the ocean or sea. In the same way, gulfs are also connected to the ocean or sea. But in what way? Gulfs are different from bays. So both are connected. But if bays become large, those are gulfs. So inlet means nothing but a water body, a narrow water body which is connected to the sea or ocean. Now see what are the examples for gulfs. See, coming to North America, see here, Gulf of Mexico, see here. Actually, the water body went into the landmass, Gulf of Mexico, here. Next, coming to the east side, you can see Gulf of Oman. Next, Gulf of Aden. Like that, you can see examples for gulfs also. So some of the examples I have given. for Gulf, that Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Oman, all these are the examples for Gulfs. So the basic difference between a Gulf and a bay is if bays become large, those become Gulfs. See, and even you might have heard that Gulf countries. What are Gulf countries? Gulf countries are the petroleum exporting countries. Petroleum exporting countries. Those are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Oman. All these are Gulf countries. They are called Gulf countries. Why? Because they are located, already I have shown you here. See here, this is the Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Oman. So here only you find Saudi Arabia, Oman, Iran, Iraq, all these. So these are called Gulf countries. Why these are called Gulf countries? Because these are very near to this Gulf, this water body Gulf. And what these countries are doing actually, they are exporting petroleum to all parts of the world. Now another one, third important term is, what is an island? What is island? A piece of land surrounded by water in all sides. So what is island? Remember, a piece of land which is surrounded by water in all sides. So a piece of land is surrounded. For example, see, this is all water body. Exactly in the middle, you may say one piece of land. So this is a particular piece of land. So all parts, north side, east side, south side, west side, all sides, it is surrounded by water. This is all water. What this is called? This is called an island. Remember. And you can see number of examples for islands. See, this is in the world map, Australia. Australia is surrounded by water in all sides. That is in the west Indian Ocean, next east Pacific Ocean, and south Southern Ocean. You can see this is the example for island. Good island. Next Madagascar near Africa. Good example for island. Next even you can see Japan here. Good example for island. And even you can see Greenland is another example for island. Iceland is another example for island. So like this you can take a number of examples for island. So island means a piece of land which is actually surrounded by water in all sides. Now let us see what is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? A piece of land surrounded by water in all three sides. The one side land. So the piece of land surrounded by water in three sides and one side land. That is called peninsula. So it is completely different from island. In island, all sides you can see water. But in peninsula you can see water only three sides and one side you can see land. And what are the example for peninsula? See here in the world map. So this is Indian peninsula. Three sides water you can see, one side land you can see. This is next Arabian Peninsula. See another example, good example, Arabian Peninsula. See, three sides you can find water and one side land. This is another example for peninsula. So in this way Another important term which actually more useful in our geography, that is peninsula, and I have given you examples also. And what is fifth one? Fifth important one is, you can see, that is peak. What is peak? The highest point of a hill or a mountain. The highest point of a hill or a mountain is called peak. See, whenever you climb a mountain or whenever you climb a hill, you reach the highest point. What that is called? Peak. And I have given you one example, that is Mount McKinley is good example for a peak. You can find it in Alaska. Now let us see in World Physical. Here Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is in Alaska. So which is in North America, west side. This is a good example for peak. Alaska's highest point you can find in Mount McKinley. So this is good example for peak. Okay. So this is fifth type, that is peak.